say that, we really appreciate everything that our global jury members bring to the table. Uh, they have exceptional skills, and I must call out their ability to give, really succinct, valuable feedback to our entrepreneurs. And we are so grateful for all your contributions in ensuring that we are able to raise the next generation of entrepreneurs. Let's hear from them what keeps them inspired and why is it that they're so willing to contribute to the ecosystem. We're really grateful for the contribution, but we really want to know what inspires them. So let's watch some of their experiences here.
I am a practitioner and a faculty member. The combination of both fits nicely to provide learning experience to our students in an academic setting and to prepare them to lead and to contribute to the economy. Not only our students, but beyond, empowering and enhancing our community to thrive and to embrace entrepreneurship. The students are fantastic. They are all experiencing new way to see, new way to be, new way to collaborate, a new way to be.
I've been a lecturer in the higher education sector for over 30 years, and what really inspires me is working with young minds towards creative problem solving. Being on the global jury for the last year has given me the opportunity to give feedback to budding entrepreneurs in over 12 institutions in the global south, and this has really been one of my greatest passions and joys.
We're glad to associate during the pandemic time with WEN evaluating the global projects. Wonderful students around the world evaluating the projects from South Africa, Malaysia, Sri Lanka. Happy to advise the students, young budding entrepreneurs, guiding them. It's a lot of pleasure.
Students will succeed with the mentor. They'll never lose direction. They'll be successful and they'll reinvent the wheel. I'm inspired to do the same and mentor students in entrepreneurship. I have the passion and I've been doing it for quite some time.
Hi, I'm Wisnu Dewobrata from Indonesia, and entrepreneurship is already become my passions, and that's why I know youngsters, you guys have so much potentials, and that makes me keep running to give coaching, mentoring, and also teachings entrepreneurships in some universities, especially in Indonesia.
I remember vividly a student who is struggling to fix his family transportation company. The combination of GPS and predictive time travel can optimize the bus arrival, departure, and pickup schedule. I hope he has succeeded, and I need to check.
Entrepreneurship is very important in economic development. I'm inspired to mentor students on the same. Students are likely to be inventors, innovators, creative thinkers because of entrepreneurship. The young people are very important in nation building, and entrepreneurship is very important in improving gross domestic product of any nation.
Last years, there were so many potential ventures from all over the world. And for Indonesia, we need more entrepreneurs, remember. We have big agenda to reach at least 4% entrepreneurs ratio in 2024. That's why you guys don't stop, okay? Keep moving, keep learning, and see you on top.